Hi guys, this is the reading of our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ayan, medyo nag-aano yung throat chakra ko kasi yung energy kanina nung fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, malakas talaga yung connection nila sa isa't isa. Okay, parang feeling ko parang twin flame yung energy. Divine masculine and divine feminine. Okay. And then, dito na tayo ngayon sa ating mga earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see kung anong meron sa ating mga earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ay, may nakita akong The Empress, oh. Wow. Abundance, abundance. Just claim it, abundance. Okay. And guys, if you want a personal reading, you can just direct message me here in my Facebook account. And inquire in my admin team for the price of the personal reading, okay? Ayan. Tignan na natin kung anong meron sa ating mga earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. What's up with our earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? Oh, wow. The judgment. May the calling from our universe. Okay. Oh, dalawa pala siya. Okay. Pagtulong. Okay. I have here the Six of Pentacles. Meron dito pagtulong, guys. Okay, ayun o. Pagtulong. May tinutulungan or ikaw ang tinutulungan. But I can feel here, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Parang ikaw yung tumutulong. Okay? Yan. Pagtulong. Okay? Pagtulong. Then, I have here the Hangman. Okay? Merong hindi makapag-decide. And then I have here, sorry guys, the Judgment. Okay? Which is, the universe is telling you, guys, na surrender to the universe. Okay? Surrender with the Hangman also. Surrender to the universe. Let the universe work for its destiny for you. Kumbaga, meron siyang ibibigay na assignment for you. Okay? Kasi parang ka nalilito. Hindi mo malaman ngayon, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, Earth sign, kung saan ka tutungo. You know what? You have to listen to your self. Okay? You have to tune in to your higher self. When we say higher self, guys, ito yung magme-meditate ka. Kasi kailangan mong mag-meditate to connect to the higher spiritual realm, which is the universe, the spirit guide. Kasi para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind din. Kasi parang gulong-gulo ka. Hindi mo malaman kung saan ka tutungo. Parang nandito yung hindi ka makapag-decide with the Hangman. Although meron ng mga sign na binibigay sa'yo, si Universe with the Judgment card here, marami na siyang sign na pinapakita sa'yo, marami na siyang mga binibigay na mga strong sign everyday sa'yo. Ikaw naman, pwedeng nalilito ka. Okay? Kasi hindi mo alam kung bakit pinigyan ka ng ganong assignment. Bakit ikaw yung napili? Something like that. Okay? Kasi, yeah, you're being challenged. Para ka na-challenge dito sa ginagawa ni Universe ngayon sa'yo na kailangan mong pakinggan yung sarili mo. Kasi merong mission na ibibigay sa'yo si Universe na napakahalaga at napakalaki. Okay? So, you have to tune in to your higher self do some meditation, guys. Kasi this is a strong sign with the Judgment card. Okay? And then, let's see here kung ano ito. Tingnan natin kung ano tong mission na or kung ano yung makakapagpa-enlightenment sa'yo para may idea ka kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin. Yun nga, sabi ko guys, mag-meditate ka, ha? Mag-meditate ka. Hindi yung puro ka lang isip ng isip dyan, mag-meditate ka. Ha? Maraming meditation music sa YouTube, guys. And then may tutorial din doon kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-try mag-meditate. Okay? Okay, let's see what's up with our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Please, guide spirit, help me clarify the situation of the Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. Let's see. Ano kaya ito? Ano kaya meron sa ating mga Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? Okay. Queen of Wands. Why is the Queen of Wands here? And the Justice. Oh, okay. Meron ako napipil dito na merong good karma na dumating sa'yo. Okay, na hindi mo ma-receive. Yeah. Hindi mo ma-receive kasi I feel here that you're too much na parang gusto mo lagi mapag-isa, parang gusto mo lagi tahimik lang. So, anong nangyayari? Baka mamaya or mamaya na miss out mo to. Etong signal na to galing kay universe. I have here the Queen of Wands. Meron kang meron kang magical thing. Okay, ikaw talaga yung ugali mo, anong tawag dito, para kang ready to, alam mo yung pagkagagala, ganun, ready to go anywhere. Ikaw talaga yun kaso, merong ditong nangyari sa'yo from the past event na, parang kailangan mo muna mag-isa to heal yourself kasi meron ako ditong nakita na possible meron kang napagsalitaan, nakaaway, something like that from the past na makapagbitaw ka ng masakit na salita na sa'yo din mismo, kumbaga, sa'yo din mismo bumalik. Alam mo yun, ikaw din mismo yung nag-suffer dito sa nabitawan mo na to. Kumbaga, ikaw din mismo yung nakaramdam ng guilt. 'Di ba? Kasi it's, parang ito yung transition mo. Ito yung transition na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Okay? Hindi ka naman sa kinakarma, guys. Okay? Kasi, andito in the Justice, the truth will be revealed. This is also a good karma with the Justice card, okay? Or may isa pa akong senaryo na nakikita na po pwedeng meron ding mga tao na nag-judge sa'yo from the past na pinagsalitaan ka rin ng hindi maganda, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, okay? Na talagang sa'yo. Kumbaga, talagang kaya mo ninais na lang na lumayo, mapag-isa. Okay? And then I have here the High Priestess. Yeah. Use your intuition. Okay? Use your intuition, guys. Use your intuition. Okay? Malakas yung intuition mo. Yeah, use your intuition. Yeah, you have, this is a obvious reading na you have really a calling from the universe. Ito yung nangyayari sa'yo ngayon na suffering, na pain, na sadness. This is a transition. Okay? Kasi meron kang gift. Use your intuition, talk to the universe, meditate, guys. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, 'di ba? Malakas yung intuition nyo, guys. So, use it. Use it kasi marami kang matutulungan na tao pag nag-focus ka dito sa iyong ability, sa iyong spiritual awakening. Meron kang spiritual awakening na eto na yung transition na nangyayari. Eto na yung progress. So, be ready. Okay? And then, yun lang guys. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat palagi. God bless po and good luck.